Hey guys, I wanted to let you know what you were going to do today. So I was looking over some of the tests and it looks like you guys were off to a great start, but it looks like almost everyone needs some more time, which is totally expected. So your first job today is basically going to be to finish your test. If you were absent, there are extra copies. Now listen carefully. If you are a student that is being quarantined right now or hasn't been in school, and you have not started the paper copy of the test, I have posted the test in Google Classroom. So let's take a look. I'm in Classwork. You're going to notice something before I get into where the test is. I did rearrange the classroom a little bit. So instead of by weeks and dates, I have it by topics. So you're going to see resources at the top, book chats, and then you're going to see the current unit we're working on, which is genre. All right, so back to where to find the test. Here's the genre topic, and here's the genre test. When you click on this, remember, you can use this to have the test read to you. We practice using our text-to-speech tools. If you were absent, the students in the class can help you with that. We actually did do this in the beginning of the year too. But anyway, so this is in here so that you can select it and you can have it read to you as needed. So just a reminder, and maybe I can hold up a test here, okay? So a lot of you have already started the test, okay? And you've already done it on paper and you're highlighting and you're giving you your evidence, which is fantastic, all right? If, again, you are absent and you haven't started this test, then please complete it in this Google document, okay? All right, so you definitely want to finish that test today, especially if it's your second day. If it's your first day or you need more time, please come period 9. But make sure the substitute is going to be here. That would be my only concern. So if you do come here and you aren't able to finish that, don't worry, no worries. We'll figure this out. Maybe we can even have you finish part of it on here. So we'll go see what we need to do as we go, okay? All right, so that is done. And then I'm going to have you guys actually try something here in resources. You're going to try Actively Learn. It is so awesome. Now, basically, it will read the stories to you, and it actually has questions in it that you can actually type into. It is fantastic. There are all kinds of information for you on the right. Now, when you click on this, you're going to get an introduction video or an introductory, this is how you use it. Please make sure you watch that, okay? Because that's going to help you to know how to use it. This is for practice. Do the best that you can, get us through as much as you can. If you're really struggling with it, please ask the teacher. I really think you're going to love it. It's very, very nice to use. If you find, and by the way, that's an article about superstition since Halloween is coming up, and it really is a lot of fun to listen to. Only if that doesn't work for you. Okay, so if you get in there and you're not sure and things aren't working out, and then go ahead and jump into Kids A to Z. All right, now Kids A to Z, I listed here how you're supposed to get on here. Basically, it's supposed to use your Google account, but for some reason it's glitching and I'm not sure why. So I've listed here how to log in if that happens to you. You're going to use J. Zeger, pick your period, select your name, password is read, wear headphones. All right, so what I did is I logged in as a guest so that I could kind of show you what this is going to look like. Again, your Google account is supposed to work, so if that works, you don't need this. But your teacher's username, and that's in the post, by the way, if you don't remember, is J. Zeger. My first name is Gina with a J, that's why, and then my last name, Zeger. You click go. And then you just have to pick which class period you're in. So let's say I'm picking that I'm in period 1 or 2 or 3. Finding my name, and then your password. Everybody's password is read. Look, see? Everybody. Okay? All right, and then you have an assignment down here, genre review. When you click on that, it's just so user-friendly. So you can see down here, here are the words. You can actually click on them and they will read them to you. And here are your activities, okay? So we've got lots of backup plans here. All right, finally, again, I do not expect you to get to these two because the Actively Learn Superstition article, if it works, is gonna take you, you're gonna be fine with time. But Action Magazine, again, it just tells you to log in using your Google account. And that one's really easy, and that has tons of cool articles that you guys can just pick from, and that's just a free read. Or you can choose to read your book. So let's just recap. Basically, what you're doing is you are finishing that genre test. When you finish that genre test, you're going to hand it in. If you need more time, come period 9 if you can, check with the teacher. You're going to go up to resources. You're going to click on the Science of Superstition, Actively Learn. You're going to watch the intro. You're going to try to do as much as you can in here. Only if that does not work for you, then you have the Kids A to Z login with activities, and if needed, the Action Magazine. But again, I don't expect you to get much farther than this at all. Okay? All right. I think that's all for now. And I will see you guys on Wednesday. Okay?